Here's a good example of why players have to follow certain rules in bridge. Let's say that East ended up in 3-no trump, and you decide to lead the 7 of hearts, the 4th highest heart, like that. Then you notice that East will play the 8, and the 8 will win the first trick, and East still has the King and the Queen of hearts, so that gives him the time to play the King of diamonds. He can probably just play all the diamonds. Then he might just play the Queen of clubs now and finesse, losing to the King. North will probably play a heart back, and when South plays the King, or East plays the King, South captures the King, and thinking that he'll keep his ace of spades to get in later when he wins all the heart tricks, he'll play another heart, and East will win his queen, cash all his diamonds, throwing all the spades away. And then South will play the rest of his club tricks. 10, 8 over to the Jack, and the Ace of clubs will take the 11th trick. So East ended up making 11 tricks just because South led the 4th highest heart. But let's see what happens if South leads what the book says, lead the top of an interior sequence. That would be the Jack. When you have Ace, Jack, 10, the book says to lead the top of the interior sequence. So now East can't just win with the 8 of hearts. He has to take the Queen or the King. And East will quite likely finesse the club. He could run all his diamonds first, but then he has to throw all the spades away, and then the Ace of spades will take the King, so he might try the club finesse, thinking, let's go for over tricks, but your partner wins the King of clubs and plays a heart, and if South plays low, now you win your 10, and that's the beauty of your interior sequence. Now you can play the Ace and capture the King, and your 7 takes another trick, and then South has to dump whatever, a spade. Then you cash your Ace of spades, and South can't make 3-no trump anymore, just because now you have 5 tricks. South can't make 9 tricks. Just going back, if you did lead the Jack, which you're supposed to do, South wins a Queen. If he cashed all his, he can't do that. He'll have to, if he's afraid to finesse the club, he might hope that you have the Ace of spades and lead the 10 of spades, and if you play low, he's going to win the King, and then he won't bother with clubs. He'll just cash his diamond tricks now in a hurry. And he'll end up with 9 tricks, but playing the spade was a risky business because now he has to take his ace of clubs, otherwise he might not make any more tricks. So he made his 9 tricks. So you get the rest of the tricks. So East made his 3-note trump. Anyway, getting back to the lead, it's a pretty good example of why you have to lead the top of an interior sequence and not lead the 4th highest in this situation.